Hi everyone, myself Bhagyashree, and today I'm going to share about the technical interviews which we have to be avoid while appearing for the technical interviews. So I thinking like all freshers, you may seems like right now the placement seasons already arrived and you are started to preparing for the companies or interviews for the product based company, or I will say service based company as per your company, or I will say as per college placement is going on. So that's why I'm going to share this interviews and tips which will be like helping you for cracking your upcoming interviews, or I will say preparation tips, or I will say tricks which will be getting advantage using this concept, using these points. Okay, so this is a very crucial times and crucial points which we have to say like time mentioning, because the season is also started for the placement or interns, and the timing I will say that is a very important. We have to be like very serious about this time period for the taking the job or grabbing the job purpose. So that's why very crucial time I'm mentioning. Okay, so I will start from the some key points I'm mentioning here. So I will start some of the key points which we have to be keep in mind while avoiding the mistakes I was in the technical interviews as a fresher, or if you're at experience, that is also you have to be see and avoid this thing. First point I mentioned here like being impolite. So often the like technical interviews ask some programs or question about your solution. So if they are pretending to not understand the solution purposely, you should stay calm and answer all the question calmly and appropriately. Like do not bring your attitude in between, you start getting irritated. Be nice and polite to them during the interview and try to handle the situation calmly. सेकेंड पॉइंट आई मेंशन लाइक प्रिटेंडेड टू बी नो इट ऑल. ऐसे नहीं है कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है, लाइक दैट वी आर नॉट हैव टू प्रिटेंड लाइक विद द इंटरव्यूअर्स. नहीं आया है कुछ पॉइंट समझ में, यू कैन आस्क, बिकॉज विच बेसिस ऑन द अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट यू गॉट, देन यू आर गिविंग द आंसर. आंसर ही नहीं समझा है या क्वेश्चन ही नहीं समझा है आपको, आप कुछ भी आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोच के दे दे रहे हो, तो दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी हेल्प यू. That's why I'm telling you, you don't have to pretending like I think I know everything, I know very well. No, it is okay to not know everything. Company always hire the honest people. Therefore, avoid using the buzzwords and get caught sometime and get embarrassed. Just be honest with your answer. If you do not know anything, then accept that you don't know about it. You say, okay, this is I don't have learned about that. I got not opportunity to learn on this thing, but in the future, if I get opportunity to learn on this topic, I will learn and I will work on this. You can say like this thing. Next, I have given too much detail in the question asked. पॉइंट कुछ अलग दिया गया है, एक लाइन का आपको आंसर बताना, आप उस पर एक्सेजरेट कर रहे हो, मतलब डिटेल में आप बता दे रहे हो जो कि उसका कुछ रिलेवेंट ही नहीं है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वी हैव टू अवॉइड, बिकॉज ये टाइम बाउंड रहता है. 30 मिनट्स 45 मिनट्स में हमें पूरा कवर करना रहता है एज द इंटरव्यूअर, और आप एक क्वेश्चन के लिए 50 मिनट्स 20 मिनट्स प्लस लगा रहे हो. सो जो बाकी कॉन्सेप्ट उनको पूछ रहे रहते हैं वो रह जाते हैं, तो इसमें आपका ही लॉस होगा. So that's why I'm telling, giving too much detail to the question asked, it is a not good way. If any question is being asked that you know to a certain extent, that try to answer it shortly and briefly. Do not start answering question from the origin like as a long answer. Try to answer the question according to the expectation of the interview only. Providing much detail on the simple short answer will create a bad impression on your part as a wasting time, and also like your nervousness also. Then fourth I mentioned like not asking question. क्वेश्चन आस्क करना ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कुछ पॉइंट्स हमें मिलते हैं, उसमें हमें एक बोला जाता है यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, सो यू कैन आस्क. अब बोलोगे नहीं, सो दे आर टेलिंग लाइक ओके, दे आर आस्किंग और दे आर थिंकिंग लाइक might seems not interested about this company, you are not research on that or not going through the details or some like high level of info about that company. So it often happen like the candidate interpret the question is differently and ends up giving the answer that the interviewer does not expect. This creates the wrong impression and also may deduct your points. Better if you clarify your question properly and before answering it. Sometimes question हमें समझा ही नहीं है तो भी हम दे दे रहे हैं आंसर, तो वो बेटर है कि आप थोड़ा सा पॉज करके क्वेश्चन आप क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड कर लो, उसके बाद आप आंसर बताओ. Try to ask a question regarding to the company to some extent. This will show your interest in the job and a company creating a good impression. Because I already have experience, ये क्वेश्चन कंपल्सरी पूछा ही जाता है. Any question you have after like they are like closely ended, I will say, so on that level they are asking like any question you have please ask.